you got this thermostat and you don't want it anymore. And what do I have here? I got a Nest E thermostat to install. I already got it out of the box. I've had this in my house before, so it's just going back in. First things, always shut off the furnace so you don't blow anything up. You don't want to blow your board up. That's not good. Disconnect the wires. Remember where they go, what colors. The ecobee has a lot more slots than the Nest does. It's very easy. And again, you can make it prettier in this. Nut driver is nice. I like the Milwaukee tools. So, cover plate or not, I don't want to make any more holes. As you see, I've already patched some up. I know this doesn't fit on well with the light switch. Want to make sure you get all your wires in there. I'll have it sit like that. What do I care? Or I can go no. So this red goes to the R, green goes to the G, white goes to the W, and I made my Y a common. The Nest works on a 4-wire system. It's just I haven't used my AC anyways. So those are your wires hooked up. I don't know if I can get it. So the little level on top, which I can't move. Look at that, fits perfectly. I'm gonna go put in my furnace because it's not turned on, and I'll be back. Nest back in. For whatever reason, it thinks it's 13 degrees, but it's not. Let it accommodate. Furnace turning on though. That's how quick and easy it is.